Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas and I'm the Day Trader. We're live here every morning for the opening bell, and at the end of the day, we are live again for the closing bell. Half an hour break and we're back on my other channel, Martyn Lucas, with the Drive Home party, where we have a couple of requests, live singing requests that you can ask for. But right now we're on the Day Trader, and we're trading live stocks and shares, cryptocurrency, all live, all real. We have a wonderful community here of people that help to support each other. It's the most honest, real day trading investment orientated channel on YouTube. How do I know that? Because I've subscribed to nearly all of them, and they all have something to sell, or an agenda, or a policy, or something. With me, it's just I am sharing with you my real portfolio. This is my real money. Let me bring up on the screen my portfolio. There it is. This is my actual portfolio, my real money, and we're really trading live here. We work together and support each other. I'll never ask you to sign up for any program or anything like that. It's all here to support each other, and we have a wonderful community that come and support each other in our endeavor to grow our portfolios and our future investments. So you watch me trade here live. If it's your very first time here, please consider subscribing to my channel, ring the bell. I really do appreciate it very, very much indeed. We're a brand new channel. We're not monetized right now. We're very small, just starting off, just a couple of weeks old. And what really helps us get to more people so we can bring more wonderful people in the live chat is if you go to the like button, the thumbs up button, and give us a thumbs up. If you could give us a thumbs up, that would be absolutely fantastic. We'd really, really appreciate that. So go ahead, give us a thumbs up and be part. Kenneth Brunk is already here. Right off the bat, there he is. Kenneth Brunk, wonderful stuff. I will be setting up my Webull account with you later on this afternoon. So thank you very much for that. Kenneth is here, and we're off and running. Big news of the day, Robinhood. We're keeping our eye on it. It's wonderful to have you here. Kenneth, smash the like button. Let the world know you're here. Okay, we're looking at Robinhood this morning. Last night, after hours, Robinhood took off. So let's get straight into it. Let's see where we are. In the pre-market, we are up 14% in the pre-market. We're up 14% in the pre-market. Wow. Okay. Let me look at that. This could be a big day for Robinhood today. Yeah, we're up 42% now. Yeah, we are. We're up. Wow. We are literally up. Wow. We are literally up 14%. Let's have a look at the. Let's go and have a look at this. Let's have a look at the. Look, it's spread. Look, it's an even. But the market makers hide this. Level 2 market data. Look, it doesn't indicate that anyone's about to sell or dump everything, does it? I agree with you. I think that'll drop at the open. But this could be like an AMC. This could be like one of those meme stocks that went through the roof. We'll find out later today. We'll find out very shortly. In fact, in just 26 minutes, we will find out. So what's everyone going to do? Are they going to sell? Because as Robinhood customers, if you like, you could argue that we are the product as well. That's been mentioned before. Do we sell? And if we do, remember, we could be prevented from being in a pre-IPO for, I think it's either 30 or 60 days. I need to check on that fact actually, but wow, look at that! Look, I'm up $400. I'm up $400, which is 42%. I wish I'd bought more. I wish I was Kofi. I bet Kofi is falling over himself right now. Kofi's another members of our group here, and I bet Kofi is falling over himself. So we're going to keep an eye on that. We're going to keep an eye on the chart. And if you've just joined us, give us a subscribe, and please do like the video. Give it a thumbs up. We got 10 yesterday. We want to beat 10 today. That would be brilliant. I've got a few of you. In fact, I think I don't know if Kenneth has done it yet, but I know that we've got John Legend, Tom Jones in the chat as well. I know that Patricia, who's just joined us, she has liked my or joined my TikTok Day Trader channel, and she's also joined the music one as well. It's in the description. The description below is my TikTok link, so go and join that. And we're building an audience there to bring here as well. So go and check that out. And we're working on the Facebook group as well, as suggested by the wonderful Kenneth Brunk, who is our technical analyst. He's also a moderator here on the Day Trader show. All right, let's have a look what he says. If the price falls below 51.50 or so, it'll fall to about 48, and the run will be over. It'll go through a consolidation at that point. Remember that we are not fortune tellers here. This is not the magic channel. Where you come to the magic channel and we know the future. We don't. Me and Kenneth are both individuals who invest our own money in the stock market. We are not professional financial advisors, but we are passionate about investing for our future, and it's what we both do, and we share with you our opinions, just opinions. But I will say we've had some success. So that's always nice. Hey, we're up to 8 likes now. We're on the way. 10 is the record. We want to beat 10 today. So if you want to share the video, get more people in to watch, and post it everywhere. Let's get past 10. It's exciting. The channel is growing. Wonderful stuff today. We got some wonderful news to cover as well. Today, I'm happy that Bitcoin has started to move a bit as well. Look, up 2% today because it was bringing my portfolio down. And is this the day that SPCE, Virgin Galactic, starts to pick up? We're getting close to well, tomorrow is the earnings report. Now, of course, tomorrow's earnings report, they're not making any money, but look. Is tomorrow. If we can show less of a loss, but having said that, they're spending money on building spaceships, so we'll see what happens there. I've no idea how that's going to play out. And our new investment yesterday, of course, has dropped. I'm down 2%. I'll buy another share of this, Kenneth, when it hits what? Down 10? I don't know. Maybe. That's what Kenneth has to add. This is just what I've reasoned. This is just what I've reasoned based on facts from the charts. I've seen stocks do funky stuff, but there are predictable patterns to it. There you go. There you go. You got it here. Listen. The way I do this is I'm always learning, always listening to people, and Kenneth reads the charts. He looks at the charts and he reads them, and he's learning all the time, and he's sharing with you and me his knowledge and information. And he'll get it right one day, and the next day it won't be right. But that's okay. We keep learning. We keep moving forward. And you have to make your own decisions. Kenneth is just sharing with you his opinion, as I do mine. And you can use that. You can use that opinion, and you can do what you want with that. But we are here to support each other. We are here. Yesterday we were celebrating. We had all our sound effects lined up. We were celebrating with Kofi, who must be celebrating this morning. I bet he's hoping it will hold up there, right? That's right. Do your own homework. That's what this is all about. If you're watching the Day Trader channel now, you are picking up things from me. You're picking up things from Kenneth. And end of the day, right? This is real. This is not me saying stuff and predicting stuff. This is me doing it for real, and you can decide whether I'm successful or not. I mean, let's have a look. My portfolio in 2 months, just over 2 months, is 5.5%. Well, if I'd left it in the bank, I'd have 0.1. So I'm happy with that. And the only reason why that's not higher is because of SPCE, Virgin Galactic, and Carnival, which I've bought down low in dips, waiting to come up. So I'm sure this will go through to 50,000 very soon. I would be if I were Kofi. Yeah, indeed. It's funny sometimes because I knew Robinhood was a good thing. Well, so you don't know. I believed Robinhood was a good thing, and I requested 25 shares. I wish I'd requested more. Of course I do. You always do when it goes up, and you're glad when it goes down, right? So there you go. Anyway, let's keep our eye on what's going on here this morning. Let me go across. In fact, let me go across. Zoom into my portfolio and see what we're doing this morning. So ARK is up 10%. Nice. Yeah, SPCE as we expected. Tesla's doing well. Ford, there you go. Apple now up. Microsoft up. Amazon up. Carnival down 8%. That's okay. I'll say it's okay. I'm waiting for the rebound. I'm not going to be a long-term investor in Carnival. When they start improving things, I will absolutely get rid of Carnival. I don't believe it in a long-term play, but I'm okay for it for now. Rolls-Royce, see? Rolls-Royce is slowly moving forward. When those planes start flying, that's going to be great, isn't it? Oh, we're up to 9. We're up to 9. Smash the like button, everybody. And we're a brand new channel here supporting everybody. And this is the most fairest, honest, open, transparent channel on YouTube. We share my own trades live with you. And we share our opinion with some wonderful people who are sharing it with you in the live chat. Just give us a like. Help us grow here on YouTube. If it's your first time here, click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up just means it shows more people the video. That's all. What else have we got? Coke is up. Builder is finally making some profits for me. I'm really happy about that. Going to keep my eye on Oatly and Figs today. And what else do we have? I'm interested in. These are all, we now move into some of my dividend stocks. Not all those, obviously. Harpoon, still down, waiting for that big bounce to come. That could be one of my dramatic losses, but I hope not. I'm still okay. I still feel good about it. U was the other one of those stocks that we invested in, which was the pre-IPO. Did very well on that, but I'm in for the long term. Look at HUD, 40%. So there we go. That's across the board today. Oh, 2.4 now. Bitcoin, lovely, fantastic. I'm very happy with that. Okay, we've got some news just coming in, so we're going to follow some news here today as well. Finally getting some recovery. Let's see what the news is, if we're getting any breaking news. Let me read this. Got some news coming in here. Alrighty. Bitcoin stuck below 40,000. Eyes short-term oversold bounce. Let's remove Kenneth's comment from the screen there for the minute. And let's have a look. I wonder if Kofi will come in today. I bet he's about to book his summer holiday. Okay. Bitcoin buyers continue to struggle below 40,000 resistance as the short squeeze rally fades. The cryptocurrency was trading around 38 and at press time is now down 4% over the past week. Short-term oversold signals suggest the pullback could stabilize above 36. That would be good because we were going sideways for ages at 30. If we've now found a new resistance at 36, new support at 36, then that's good for me. I would regard that as a win, and then we'll wait for our next position to move up. So I like that. That's positive news for me. And normally the news you get on Bitcoin is always negative. There's always negative news coming out of Bitcoin. Everybody's trying to talk it down because nobody wants it to succeed, apart from me. I want it to succeed, or anybody else who's got Bitcoin. All right, so there we go. Let's go back to. Oh, let me share with you Rolls-Royce. Look at this. So we're up again to nearly 3% today. Now, look, this is. I think this is going to be great, don't you? What do you think about this, Kenneth? Right? If you look at Rolls-Royce, right, it's a steady line. 11, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12, all around here for years and years and years. Then COVID happened, and boom, no flights. Now this isn't the cars. This is the servicing of the engines and stuff like that for planes. So obviously it fall off, and it dropped right down. Now they have a lot of debt, but I know because Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister of England, has said Rolls-Royce will never fail. They won't let it fail. It's like Ford in America. I don't believe it'll ever fail. So there's a lot of things for the future there. I believe. I mean, I may be wrong, but I decided to buy some shares. I got 711. Imagine if this goes back to the sort of 9s and 10s. It'd be great. I would 10x my money. I would 10x. So I'm bullish about that. And when I bought in here, it hasn't dropped. It's holding, and sometimes we get a bit of a lift. What ticker is that? It's there we go. It's RYCEY. There you go. You know what that means, don't you? Kenneth is going to do some analysis. He's going to press the buttons on his screens and he's going to do some analysis. I don't know. I watched a lot of videos on that, and I felt really confident. I thought, yeah, I can see this could do something. So there you go. Okay, we're down at Carnival at the minute, but we've seen a bit of an upturn. So that's that one. Apple is Apple today. Not a great deal to talk about. Tesla's down. Oh, now if we can get a big dip in Tesla, I can find an opportunity to buy in. I need to. Oh, we've got 10 watching now. Fantastic. Welcome to our brand new channel. We've only been going a couple of weeks, and we're growing quite quickly. Give us a like, help us out. We've got some wonderful people in here sharing their live portfolios. This is my real money. We invest live here with you, and we have some great people who will share with you their wisdom and their insight. We do technical analysis. We cover the news. We're looking at Robinhood today. We're looking at all the shares, and just give us a like. There we go. We've got 9 likes now. Wonderful stuff. The record is 10, and we're trying to beat that today. It'd be absolutely wonderful if we could do that. So welcome to my trading studio. This is my trading studio. I turn around, you can see I'm here. This is live from our trading studio. Later on I'll be on my other channel singing for you as well. I do some music in here as well. So there we go. If you're interested in that, by the way, just go on to the Day Trader YouTube channel right here, and you see my other channel right there, Martyn Lucas. Just subscribe to that, and every day after we do the opening bell and the morning bell and the closing bell, we have a drive home party, and we sing a couple of songs just to drown our sorrows or celebrate, depending on what sort of day we've had. But we're very, very bullish here at the Day Trader. So there we go. Got some new news coming in here. Amazon, looking at the news with Amazon. Amazon launches free one-day delivery in Brazil amid fierce competition. Let's have a look. Let's see what's going on with Amazon. Sao Paulo, e-commerce giant Amazon.com started to offer its Brazilian Prime subscribers free one-day delivery in 50 cities on Wednesday amid fierce market competition in Latin America's largest economy. The move comes as rivals such as Mercado Libre and Magazine Luiza are investing heavily to ramp up delivery speeds and gain clients. Oh, taking on Amazon. Good luck to them, of course. The Amazon initiative, which already exists for Prime subscribers in markets across the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, arrives 2 years after Prime was launched in Brazil. Previously, Prime users in Brazil had access to free 2-day shipping with the option of paying extra for 1-day delivery. In the last year, we've developed better infrastructure, especially in the country's capital cities, with new distribution centers, and this is what helped make 1-day delivery possible. Marina Roth, head of Amazon Prime in Brazil, told Reuters in an interview. E-commerce competition is steep in Brazil. Home to an estimated 105 million e-commerce shoppers, Amazon ranked 4th in the country in terms of monthly website visits, trailing behind regional and domestic competitors Mercado Libre, Americanas, and SoftBank-backed OLX, according to a ranking compiled by payments company Ebanex. Logistics is an especially tricky part of Brazilian e-commerce. In a continental-sized country with patchy infrastructure, earlier this year, Mercado Libre announced an investment of $10 billion, which is $1.91 billion, into logistics into Brazil, where as of June, it has been experimenting with same-day shipping in some cities. So there we go. There's obviously a lot of growth there for Amazon in Brazil, and we wish them luck, especially, of course, if you're an investor in Amazon, as I am. So absolutely want Amazon to do well there. In fact, let me look at my Amazon shares today. I managed to buy in the dip a few days ago when Amazon was on sale, and now we're up very slightly. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stuff. There we go. I'm happy with that. So let me have a look. Let's see what else is going on. We're now just over 7 minutes to go before the market fully opens. We're pre-trade right now, and we're hoping that we're going to hear from Kofi. I hope he comes into the show today, because he'll be very, very excited with Hood, I would imagine. It's holding at the pre-market. So what do you think? Do you think it's going to drop when the market opens? Still buying going on. Still buying going on. And nice for Bitcoin as well. I'm happy with that. ARKW is still dropping a bit. But it's not enough for me to be able to or want to buy in at the moment. Even though I did buy in yesterday, I want to wait for bigger dips to lower my averages. That's the way I do it. I've got a very diverse portfolio, which is why I need to sell some Bitcoin when it reaches, say, 50,000, because it's 17% of my portfolio, and that's a little big. I don't want it to be that big. I'd like Bitcoin to be maybe 10% of my portfolio, so I need to trim that down a little bit. Even though I believe in it, I'd like my money invested in other things as well, or I'd like to increase my positions in other things. For example, Tesla. I would like an opportunity to buy into Tesla, but I'm looking for a dip. I think a correction will come with Tesla. It's overpriced, but the trouble is some of these new companies, they grow into their price. I really feel that people. I know Tesla is such a great opportunity, such a great future, that I believe, even though the price is overvalued, it'll grow into its price. Right, we've got some news just up here from Kenneth Brunk. Kenneth says, Rolls-Royce is an OTC, the ticker you specified. It's overall in a bearish pattern, but it could be turning around. If price breaks above 146 in the next weeks, it'll be a much more bullish. Hey, Legion site. I'm not sure that's a... Is that a bit of spam just come in? Quite possibly. If you're a real person, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. But I'm pretty sure, I don't know what that is. You often get that on the channel. But never mind. Yeah, Rolls-Royce is an OTC. The ticker you specified it's overall in a bearish pattern, but it could be turning around. If price breaks above a 146 in the next week, it'll be much more bullish. Okay. Thank you for that fair, honest analysis. We shall see what happens. I see that message got deleted. Was that the sender, or was that one of my? Was that Kenneth, my moderator, doing some moderating going on? Oh, Leah did it. Another one of our... Oh, hello, Martyn Redding. Hello there. How are you? Let's bring Martyn Redding into the broadcast. Hello, Martyn Redding. Nice to have you here. We're a brand new channel. Do us a huge favour and give us a subscribe and like the video. The most important thing is ring the bell, but most important is, more than that, is give us a like. Our record is 10, so if you give us a like now, we'll match our record. We've only been going just a couple of weeks, and we're a wonderful community here. This is where I trade from my studio here live every day, the morning and the evening. And please do support us here. Yep, did that. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much. We're trying to get to 10. 10's a record for us. And we have Kenneth Brunk is our moderator in our chat, and he does technical analysis for us. And we share the news, and we look at all sorts of stuff. And it's all live. And this is my real portfolio. This is my... Oh, there we go. We've done 10 likes. There we go. We've matched the record. So let's give that a... Should we give that an air horn or just a round of applause? We've matched our record. Let's see if we can get 11 today and break the record. And then we'll get the air horn in, right? So we've got some news just coming in from Kenneth, our technical analyst. So yeah, Martyn, we trade our own real money. This is my real money here. This is real. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I don't want you to give me anything. We just give to you, share with you what we're doing. And our technical analysis, Kenneth Brunk. RKW is a warrant stock. Be aware that warrants are different from normal stocks. I highly suggest researching what you're walking into with that. Investopedia is everyone's friend. Yes, thank you, Kenneth. I will look into that. Thank you very much. Thank you. What do you mean, Martyn? Yep, bought one share to watch it. Bought one share. Oh, did you mean you bought one share of Robinhood? Is that what you mean? Did you bought one share Robinhood? This is Robinhood right now. We are up. And we are 1 minute now to the main market opening. Let's have a look at the app as well. I like the way the app works. Look, this is the app as well. And look at we've got 93 million already. Oh, that's yet from yesterday, I think. Yeah, that's the 93 million. That's from yesterday. There we go. Lit, look at that. You saw the pop up on my notifications. Lit is up. That's, of course, supporting... AKRW, you bought a share in that. Nice. Let's look at the level 2. Still looks like going up, look. Right, okay, we're seconds away now. Let's see what happens. Is it going to continue? This could be a blowout day. We got 10 now. One more, and we'll break a record. We've got 11 people watching now. We've got the record, and we'll celebrate with the air horn. Okay, here we go. All right, we're open. Will it correct? Will Robinhood correct? Let's have a look. With a massive buying coming in now. Let's have a look. This could be a great day. We are up 45%. 45%. Go on, give us a thumbs up and a like. We're trading live here to support you. We got technical analysis from Kenneth Brunk in the live chat. And all we ask is if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, help us share the news. Right, look at that. We've not dropped. In fact, we're still rising. This could be a big day for Robinhood. 45% we're up now. And if you want Robinhood to go up, just give us a thumbs up and it will go up. That's the only guaranteed prediction I'm going to give you today. Whoa, look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Up, up, up. Alicia, good morning. I hope another great day for Robinhood. Wow, we're going up. Come on, whoever's watching now, give us that thumbs up. Wow, look at that. My God, have you seen? This reminds me of AMC. This reminds me of those meme stocks where they'll go up 1,000%. I bet Kofi is falling over. Kofi is making $100 a minute. Remember, as long as he sells, that could drop to the bottom and go back to nothing. 58%. I knew it was going to be good. Wish I bought more shares. But I'm not selling. That's the point, though. I don't make any money unless we sell. So, what do you think? What's your analysis now, Kenneth? I remember you said something. Let me go back in the live chat. You did say something about if it broke above a certain amount, it's likely topped out here. Okay, let's have a look. Kenneth said, looking at his charts from his studio, he has said, "Oh, look at my portfolio. Right, we've just seen a dip there. We've just seen something drop. No, not on Robinhood yet. Are we seeing any sellers? No sellers yet. Right, now Kenneth says it's likely to top out. Hey, if you just tuned in, give us a subscribe and like the video. Give us a thumbs up. Help us grow the channel. We want to reach more people, and we share technical analysis here live from my studio. This is us here in the studio, day trading, and please do come and join us and take part. We're here to support you. And 11 likes! 11 likes! Everybody celebrate. We've got a record. 11. Oh, we've got 12 people watching now. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a record. Wow, that is really being pumped. It's, whoa. Whoa, it's going to the moon right now. It's going to the moon. Where are we going with this? We've just made a new record. We are absolutely loving it. Thank you very much, everybody that's come in and liked the video. We've made a record now, so we're up everywhere. Look, let's see what effect that's having on my portfolio. Yeah, I'm over 49,000 today. If Bitcoin returns and Carnival and returns and Virgin, I could be... Oh, Kofi's here! Kofi is here. We've been talking about you. You are the celebrity of the day. I'm here, friends. Robinhood the Moon. Robinhood, this is for you. This is for you. We are very, very happy for you, my friend. You must be absolutely jumping up and down, and we're very, very happy for you. Very, very happy for you. So congratulations to you. Now, you got a big decision. You've got a huge decision here. Kofi, give a thumbs up to the video. And we've just broken 11, which is a record. If it breaks under 59, I speculate it's done for the morning. Let's have a look. That's what Kenneth is saying. Okay, what do you think? If it breaks, there we go. We've now, yeah, gosh, it's exciting. Then it pumps some more. Wow, look at that, 72%. It's up now. It's just going up. 75%. This is absolutely huge. Flipping heck. Kofi, have you booked your summer holiday? Are you going to sell? What are you going to do? Thank you, friends. I've been jumping up and down since the after hours. I bet you have. I bet you have. I'm jumping up and down. Next resistance is at 67. I mean, there isn't any resistance though, is there? There isn't any resistance because let's be honest, it's never reached this number before. It's just blue sky, right? It's just blue sky. There's nothing above it. There's nothing ever been above it. It's been halted. Okay. Okay, holding. Okay. Let's have a look. There we go. I see it. Trust me, there is a resistance trend via trend line. Let's bring that up. Okay, so what do? You know, you could argue sell because screw the 30 days. I can't enter in a pre-IPO. What do? Kenneth, what do I do? I mean, seriously, that's a serious amount of profit. So I wish once again good luck. What? I mean, seriously. Oh, hang on. Look at this. Have you seen this? It's been hot. Yeah, I see that. There we go. Some stock exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted trading of Hood. Look at that. There you go. It's been halted. Now I see what you mean. Wow. Can you give us some more information on that, Kenneth? What exactly does that mean? And I want you to explain it. That the markets have been halted. That's due to extreme pumping. Wow. I mean, why do they do that? I can understand why they do that when the price comes down. Blue Core, wow, what a world. Blue Core is here. Hey, Blue Core, lovely to have you here. If it were me, I'd stop loss at 59. Oh, blimey. Blue Core, welcome to the party. Give us a thumbs up, won't you? Let's get 12. 11's the record today. We broke a record today. If it were me, I'd put a loss. Oh. If you sell, you are banned from another pre-IPO. But is that a big deal, though? What do you think? I don't really care. I mean, blimey. But what if it keeps going? What do? I mean, that's a serious, upswing there, isn't it? The market itself halts trading when something is too volatile. It's called a circuit breaker, and they're there to prevent wild movements from crashing the stock. Yeah. That's a good way to put it. Thank you very much, Kenneth, for that. There we go. Circuit breaker. Very sensible. Blimey. It's no stop losses. Never again. I had a 10% stop loss at IPO. If I'd sold at the very bottom, I own no Hood right now. I feel like a clown. Look, you can't lose what you didn't have. No one's a clown. No one predicts the future. If I don't sell now, I look a clown if it goes down. Right? No one knows. You have to just go with your gut. Go with your gut. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I mean, what's happening right now, we knew was going to happen. If it breaks above 67, it would reset my stop loss to where it's at right now. So what do you say? So Kenneth, what you're saying then to me is, in fact, I can't trade now. It won't let me. Can I? No. Sell. Can I sell in? Let me zoom in for you. Show you what I'm doing. If you bought at 38, as long as you sell above 38, you're not a clown. That's a fair comment, right? So if I click sell, shares. It won't let me do a... Let's just go, say that I put 10 in there. Yeah, look, it won't let me do it won't let me do a sell order. It won't let me put anything in there. You can't trade, no. You can set it to sell, but won't trigger until it's released. No, there's no option. No, it's not letting me set a limit. See, if I go to something else, and I go sell, hang on a minute. Say if I was selling that, for example, whoops. Hang on a minute. Let me have a look. It's not allowing me. Oh, Jonathan Brunette is here. Hello, Jonathan. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, that's insane. Whoa, we're 77, halted again. Hey, Jonathan, give us a thumbs up. We've just broke the record at 11. Oh, look, we're breaking records now. We've got 13 watching. This is if it's your very first time here, consider subscribing to the channel. We trade live here every day from my studio. This is it. This is where we are live, and we're a brand new channel. Kofi, I'm up $6,000. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, blimey. We're getting heavy now. Look, we're thanking the big man. Look, you've made $6,000. There we go. So, oh, blimey. So, give us a thumbs up. Let's try. There we got a record, 12. There we go. We got a new record. Great stuff. And it's been halted again. Yeah, it's halted again. You can see that line there. Look, see that? And it says trading is halted. 106% now. Wow. Ay, 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 ay. So, I'm trying to, in all the excitement, I'm trying to see how I do my order. I can do it on my phone, but for some reason, share in dollars. I've not got the, why have I not got the option here? I'm not seeing the option. I'm looking for a Pacific option here. Or Virgin Galactic's up as well. Everything is going up today. Look, I'm at 49.5. 49.5, folks. 50,000 is my record. This is my real portfolio, my real money. This is really happening live right now. But remember, if Hood suddenly crashes, we could lose everything. So I'm trying to work out why I can't see. If I click sell, I want to set a limit. Say, for example, and if I do a share and I do one review order. No, see, I can't see where it's gone. On my phone, it's there. I'll show you what I mean. If someone could advise what's happening, I'm trying to set a stop limit. So I'm just going onto another stock at the moment. If I go to show you my phone, look. If I go to trade, and I go to sell, say, and I go into here. It says limit order. See, I can limit order. So I can limit order. Look, see, I can put that there. Market price is 18, so if I say it goes to 17, continue, 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 and then number of shares. I can do it on my phone, but for some reason, it's not, look at that going up, look, isn't that ridiculous? But it's not letting me do it on, for some reason, it's not letting me do it on here. If I go, can someone tell me what I'm missing? The price must correct. It'll come back down unless there's some big news that just made it worth twice what it was yesterday. I can't wait to see all the gain, all the posts on Reddit. Blue Core, better believe it. Oh yeah, absolutely. Give us a thumbs up, everybody. Give us a thumbs up. We're growing this brand new channel. We've got some great analysis here, technical analysis from Kenneth Brunk in the house. I have no explanation for the discrepancy. Yeah, see, if I go sell here, and I want to sell, let's say I do dollars, and let's say I do, I don't know, $10, just to say, look, it won't allow me on the website. I've never done it. I've never done it on the website. I've always done it on the app, but for some reason, it won't let me do it on the, so that's a bit bizarre, right? Edit. So you can only do it on the phone. Well, I've just discovered something there. You can only do it on the phone. Okay. If you can only do it on the phone, you can do it on the phone. All right. Okay. Peak to 84. Here we go. Let's go back to Hood again. Sorry for the... well, there we go. It's letting me now sell. Kenneth, what do I do? Do I sell? Look at that. Buy Hood, sell Hood. Shares. I sold Hood at 81. $1 over my target and halted in the way down. Well, have you seen anything like it? We knew this was going to happen. We knew this was going to happen. Trading stop limit kicked in. I can't tell you what to do. I would have been raising a stop loss all the way up. See, if I set 25. So there you go. There it is right there. If I click that now. Review order. Temporarily halted again. Yep, they're halting it, so they're not letting people sell. Yep, I get it. IPO flipping warning. There you go. There is the flipping warning. If you sell IPO shares within 30 days of the IPO, it's considered flipping, and you'll be restricted from participating in IPOs for 60 days. You have 5 shares of Hood purchased on the open market that can be sold without triggering our flipping restrictions. There you go. So you can. I can sell 5 without any penalties. What do you reckon? That's not a bad way to go. Take some profit off the table. This is what should have happened on yes, this is what should have happened on a sell all. Sell. Listen, I think Robinhood's got a long way to go. It's okay. I'll sell 5. It's been halted again. Look at that. It's halted again. They keep halting it. It's going to be hard to get in, isn't it? My portfolio is 49.4 now. My stop limit kicked in at 73. Sold all but one share. Buy again low. Time to short. Oh, blimey. Has anyone seen anything like it? I'm anticipating it coming down hard. Yeah. That's why they've put a stop on it, right? Yeah, there goes the selling. Look, there goes the selling. Blue core, yep. Yep. Wow. It's a big day. It's a big day, isn't it, for Robinhood. It's a big day for Kofi. Kofi, is Kofi in the house? What did you do? Okay, let's have a look. Kofi just posted something. I missed it. Let's look at this. Kofi just posted something we want to share with everybody. Where is it? Kofi. Here we go. Look at this. Kathy Woods owns 1.85 million shares. She is jumping indeed. Oh yeah, I bet she is. There we go. Thank you for sharing that. If it's your first time here, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell. We're a brand new channel. We offer you honest opinion. We're not financial advisors. I'm an entertainer, a musician on YouTube. That's what I do. This is my music studio. This is where I trade, and this is where I perform live for you every day. And I'm investing for my future. That's kind of what this is all about, for my pension. So this is real stuff, and we offer wonderful support to all of you. So please do take part in this. Halt or not, it's got to correct. Put a buy in at 40. That's a good move. Oh, look, it's gone up again. It's going up again. Whoa, it's going up again. Whoops. What's it doing now? And there it goes. Hold it again. Okay, I'm going to see if I can sell my 5. Okay, so here we go. Sell in shares. I've got those 5. Limit order. Limit order. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. I'm on the app right now because the app gives me the sell limit. It doesn't give me sell limit. So what should I do? 71. Continue. Extended hours. Continue. Sell shares at 71. Review. There you go. You're watching me do it now. I can sell 5. Limit order at 71. Will it go? Will I get it in? I've got it set there, 71. Do we go a bit higher? Oops, it's dropped. Okay, That's not advice, though. Might want to wait. That's not advice, though. No, appreciate that, Kenneth. Appreciate that. Appreciate that very much. We're keeping an eye on lots of things right now. Okay. So it's dropping back now. What did Kofi do? I want to know what Kofi did. Tell me what Kofi... It will only continue to fall faster and lower it goes as people get scared of holding bags. Yeah, of course. I've missed the boat now if I'm going to do that, I think. I've missed the opportunity. I'd normally wholeheartedly agree, but this is now a meme stock. Yeah. So I've got those 5 shares able to be sold at 71. Yeah. I'm in it for the long term. I believe Robinhood's got a long way to go. So there you go. I didn't do it. I've still got my 25 shares. I'm not going to sell now. It's going down to that. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio. See how it's dropped. But on all this excitement, we're missing the fact that Virgin Galactic is now starting to see a positive sign. So, and let's keep an eye on Tesla as well. We're moving across the portfolio. Carnival is not doing anything. No, we'll go back to Hood. Martyn Redding, I'm happy with the 250 I made. And you should be, Martyn. I'm long on Robinhood, and I think it will go back up. Yeah, I agree with you, Kofi. Martyn, absolutely, you should be over the moon. 250 bucks. 250 bucks is 250 bucks, right? I regard every dollar a profit. Every dollar I make, I'm happy with. Keeping an eye on Bitcoin today as well. There we go. That's the one I've got to research. Kenneth Brunk mentioned I need to research, so I will do that. I'm happy with the 6K. Whoa, Jonathan Brunette, everybody. Let's have a celebration for Jonathan Brunette. There we go. $6,000 profit. Let's give it up. Congratulations, Jonathan. That is absolutely fantastic. You should be so thrilled and happy. That's awesome. I'm really, really happy for you, mate. Congratulations with your $6,000 profit. Imagine that. Imagine what that feels like. I've not had a profit like that yet. Good for you. Look at that. But remember, folks, we're here to support everybody up and down days, good days. We're here to support everyone. That's what this channel is all about. We're sharing information. We've got Kenneth doing technical analysis behind the scenes, and there is me. Hang on, let me left blue core, and then there is me who had 1,000 shares of Hood, thanks to margin, and I sold them all for a 10% loss. Ooh, ouch, blue core. We're very sorry to hear that. We're very sorry to hear that. Oh man. Hey. But we're here for we're here for everyone. We're here for everyone, all right? We're here to support everyone. We're very sorry. Mr. Love sends you some love. Oh, hang on, he's in the wrong place. Mr. Love sends you some love. I'm sorry to hear that, mate. It's always, you know, you don't want to hear any sad news like that. Yeah, Jonathan sends his condolences as well. Our man, Blue Core, so sorry. Yeah, it's why I wait long term. You know, when that was moving up there, I didn't sell. I didn't buy. I'll only buy when it's down, and I'll sell long term. When all this drama, when all this crazy pretend nonsense dies down, when all this stabilizes, when all this consolidates, I know I'll be up and I'll be happy to make 10%. Wow, Blue Call, we're with you. A mini Mr. Love. There we go. Let's bring that up. Blue Call, you're getting some love and respect here today. You did nothing wrong. Anything can happen to anyone. I hate to hear anyone who gets wrecked. That's horrible. The market wasn't kind to you. I was in this stream and Martyn kept us going. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that lovely comment there. On the bright side, this little run up allowed me to at least break even, so I'm thankful. There we go. There we go. Some positive news there for Blue Core. So we're happy about that. We're happy about that. And Mr. Love is happy as well. Thank you. It's fighting between two retracements now. Let's have a look. Let's see what we're doing now. Whoops-a-daisy, I'm getting all confused with me. Mr. Loves, let's get rid of that. Let's go back to the main screen. Okay. I'm back up to 49.66 on the high end. There you go. Just, do you know, this is why I created this channel, right? So many people get so upset and so stressed. When you invest in something, invest in it because you believe what it does is good. It has a future. It's going to grow. It has a market. It serves a purpose. And let all the FUD and the craziness of the quick buying and selling. I mean, I'm not saying it's wrong to sell. Of course, some of you. I mean, like, look at Jonathan, made $6,000. You know, he won't agree with me right now. He's made $6,000, but just be calm and let it do its thing, and let it grow in time. You know, and you know that money's sitting there. You know, my shares aren't going anywhere. Is Hood going to be around for a long time? Yes, it is. Is Hood serving a need? Has it got a market? Is it going to grow? Yes, it is. All right. Sit back and relax and sell this a year from now. Or not. Keep it for a long term. Maybe they'll introduce dividends in the future. Who knows? And if it dips, I'll buy some more. But it's all good. Now it's fighting a trend line. There we go. We've got some great technical analysis coming in from Kenneth Brunk. We really appreciate that. Now we've gone past our usual time. We normally end now. But today we're going to do an extended show because this is very, very hot, of course, and I want to stick with you. We normally end now, but we'll carry on a little bit extra. So stick with me. Let's have a look. I use my spec money for things like Hood and hopefully make enough to have a few share for free and watch. Yeah, that makes sense. I agree with Martyn. I believe in the company. There we go. You believe in the company, you've still got your shares, right? I've only got 25. I'm not Kofi. I wish I was. But you know, and it's for every you know, one side, there's the other side. It's like Kenneth now. Jonathan has made $6,000, right? He's up, he's happy, he's loving it. He's a great position, but for him now to enter the market, he's got to pay $68. Whereas me and Kofi, our average is 37. So we are in a position now. Jonathan's got his money. Don't get me wrong. He's got $6,000 now. He can go and invest in, Apple, Microsoft. He can go and put money in Tesla, and zoom ahead, right? But we're still in, and that's the thing. If you don't sell and you keep buying in the dips, you strengthen your position long term if you believe in the future. And I do. I do believe in the future. I do believe in the future. What else is there, right? Right? There, we all believe in the future. We're all going to live on Mars in a couple of years anyway. So none of this will matter anyway. Still got the shares at 37.33. They are, Kofi. You're with me, right? My shares the same. 37.33, exactly the same. How did we manage that? That's because we bought it on the pre-IPO, right? And then we bought when it went down. And that's right. That's how that happened. But we've got no stops now. The market's, look at it. It's nice. It's trading sideways. We've got some buying going on. It's got a bit of stability. Keep in mind, this all went to plan for me. The plan... Oh, okay. Hang on. Keep in mind that this was all... That this all went to plan for me. Right, he had a plan. That's good. That's good. If you have a strategy that you want to achieve this amount, use that money to being reinvested into something else because you can see it growing and so on and so forth, then great. Just don't do it on emotional. Don't just do it on a don't get all carried away, excited and go, "Oh, I'm going to do it," and like I nearly did. Try to keep calm. And Jonathan's plan was always to sell at 80. So he had his plan and he sold at 80. He did the right thing. And I didn't expect it to take a few days. No, everybody didn't. Everybody thought it was going to blow on the first day, didn't they? But I think what happened was, I don't know if anyone else agrees with me, if you saw on the first day, all the staff and people that work for Robinhood sold their shares. That's what happened. It tanked it. Everyone took an opportunity to make some fast money, didn't they? That's what happened. Everybody took the opportunity to make some fast money, and they sold out. So that the market crashed. It just tanked, and then I think that put everybody off for a while. They were waiting for it to go down lower. That's what I think happened. If you're watching me on Facebook, come and join me on YouTube. Come join me on YouTube. There we go. Let me give you the link. Copy and paste. Whoops. Let me do that again. I'm just bringing all our friends over from Facebook. Come join me on YouTube. There we go. There we go. So do that. If you're on Facebook watching me now, be part of the real gang over here on YouTube. All right. Okay. Martin Redding says, agree with Jonathan. I have sell prices in for stocks like TGT making 10% due to the back to school reopening. They report in a couple of weeks. That's it. If you've got something that and I have some plays like that. I want to get back in on Tesla. I made some profit on Tesla, and I sold everything. I only have one share, right? And I want to get back in. So if I was like Jonathan Brunette and I'd made $6,000, I'd be looking for a little dip today on Tesla, and I'd buy that. So it's like free shares, isn't it? It's like free shares. You've moved money from a speculative stock like like Robinhood to Tesla. Okay, you might argue Tesla is speculative as well, but Tesla's got a great future, in my opinion. Agree with Jonathan. I have to sell prices in stocks like TGT making 10% due to the back. Yeah. Do you invest in the S&P 500, Martin? I will share with you my portfolio right now. Yes, that's what happened. The staff tanked it. Exactly. That is what happened. Jonathan, let me share with you my portfolio, my complete portfolio. Has everyone given the video a like, a thumbs up? Right, this is my portfolio, guys. I'll share with you. Let's just go over to Hood quickly. We've had some selling. Okay. It's starting to slow down a bit now. Let me have... let me have a look. 51 million is the volume today. Let me share that with you. Here is the volume. Look, 51 million. Yesterday, I think we got to nearly 99,000. So, not so bad considering it's only 11 minutes past 9 in the morning. But so the volume is off the charts today. So I was going to show Jonathan my portfolio. So here we go, Jonathan. This is my portfolio, and just so you know, this is now just 2 months old. I started here, May, June, July. So yeah, just over 2 months now. I started in May. Look, started in May investing, and I'm up 6.56%. If it breaks 65, we might have another small run. That's just coming in. Because Kenneth is watching the charts and he's doing technical analysis for us. And he's one of our moderators here on the platform. And we really appreciate everything he does for the platform. So thank you very much. Kenneth Brunk, who's got a very cool picture, by the way. So, right. I wanted to show Jonathan my portfolio to answer your question. Okay, here is my full portfolio for you. So I've got ARK, SBCE, Virgin Galactic, Tesla, Ford, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Carnival Cruise Lines, Rolls-Royce, Vanguard, QQQ, TAN, PBW, ICLN, Walmart, United Airlines, Coke, Builder, Johnson & Johnson, Figs, Oatly, PayPal, Tesco's, lovely Tesco's from England, supermarket, MasterCard, McDonald's, the National Grid, VEU, Lit, of course, need lithium for all these batteries, need more shares of that, Facebook, Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway, Harpoon, let me open that up, have I got that up already? Open a new tab. I'll come back to that one. So now I move down to my dividend stocks. I'm starting to move more into that as I go into the future. Of course, we've got Hood, Riskified, General Electric, and our new one yesterday. And of course, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my only cryptocurrency. There you go. I hope that answers your question for you. Kofi says, thanks, Kevin, and he corrected it to Kofi. Sorry, corrected to Kenneth. Thank you for keeping us posted. So Kenneth, let's show some love and a big thank you to Kenneth, who's here every day. He hasn't missed a show yet. He's been here every single day, and he's supporting us, and he's sharing his wisdom with everyone, and we appreciate it very much indeed. There we go. Thanks for keeping us posted. There we go, and he corrected it there. It's okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you very much indeed, Kenneth. Kenneth is just north of me, a little way, up in here in Texas. And he's doing his thing. I wonder if today I'll get to 50,000. Harpoon Therapeutics! There it is. I'm getting some bounce back. Yes, this is one of my ridiculously speculative stocks, and look at that. We've got some volume, Kenneth. We got some volume on my Harpoon Therapeutics. I knew it was coming. Oh. They haven't put a stop on that, have they? No. No. Just traded sideways. I thought they put a stop on that for a minute. It looked like they had, but... so there we go. Up nearly 3% today. So what I'm looking for... I'm looking for one of these bounces. See these spikes? I'm looking for one of those to come. So keep my eye on that. Kofi, what do you know about Harpoon? Why are you in it? Harpoon hit down hard. That was brutal. Yes, well, I bought... No, but I bought when it was down. That's the point. Harpoon Therapeutics, look. Okay, this is it. I bought here. I bought about here. And it dipped a bit more. I'm down 22%, but I was down 30. But I bought down when it was down like, I don't know. I forget what it was at the time. Down like 200% or something ridiculous. It was, I bought down here. And you did the analysis yesterday, Kenneth, didn't you? And it's got some capital behind it. It's not going to go bankrupt. It's got some money behind it for a couple of years. All we need is some good news to come out that they've discovered something with their science and so on. That they're in clinical stage immunotherapy. Then they want one discovery, something to go well, and then we'll see this flipping up and down all the time. This constant up and down all the time. You see it. So I thought, okay, it's like buying a lottery ticket, right? You buy. It's like if you think of your wealth, it's like a pyramid, like a triangle. Okay, along the bottom is money in the bank. Okay, and as you go up, you get more and more risky. So right on the top, you have buy a lottery ticket, but you only buy one. So 1%, one, right? And as you go down, your risk gets less, you do more. And so for Harpoon Therapeutics, right, I bought $1,000 worth when it was right down. And now we're seeing I mean, it's going to come back. Look, 3%. It's going to come back. When that comes back, it's not something I'm going to stay in forever. All right? I'm not going to be in it forever. But when I get a bit of a bounce back up to here, I'll sell and I could 10x my money. That $1,000 could turn into $10,000. So for anyone now who's looking for a bargain, I mean, you know, it's look how low it is. Now, I know you're going to say don't buy rubbish. If you buy a lot of rubbish, you end up with a lot of rubbish. All right? But at the end of the day, it's got the opportunity to bounce back. It's got capital to keep its business and the doors open for a long time. They've got some track history. It's one of those stocks that could all of a sudden, one little bit of good news, and that's it. If people think it's about to discover something wonderful, the stock will go flying, and I'll sell. So that's exactly why I'm in Rolls-Royce, because they will suddenly bounce. When the planes start flying, they will bounce. And even it's so low, it doesn't take much. Look, so I'm up 7%. I'm up $78. Doesn't take much for it to go up. See, it's been moving up now. The last month, it's working its way back up again. And as soon as those flights go, but look, see, all this until COVID happened. Boom. When the planes start flying and they service the engines. Now, you could argue, you know, someone else could take the business, but I don't think so, because Rolls-Royce in England is so ingrained, and the British Prime Minister has said he won't let them fail. So we are about to reach my record The highest I got was 7.8%. We're now at 6.8. So we're nearly at my record. And a lot of that is because Bitcoin is recovered. Bitcoin is recovering. Today we are up 3%. There we go. And back to the news of the day. Robinhood, of course. So we've stuck longer with you today. We've stayed with you longer. I hope you appreciate the little extra, because obviously we got some really breaking news here today with so many things. Harpoon 3%. We're still going up, so I could see my rise there. And Robinhood, of course, is a massive day today for everyone, especially Jonathan Brunette. I wonder if that is being shorted like GME was. I don't know. Is there a way to find out? Yeah, I do think it will come back, as Kenneth said. I do think it will come back. See, on a stock like that, I wouldn't invest in it if it had no money and institutions and backing behind it, because it could go bankrupt. But it does. It has money to back it up. It has some big institutions supporting it. They obviously believe that they're about to discover something wonderful in pharmaceuticals, so in the immunotherapy business. So that's why I've bought it down and wait. I'm okay with that. Yes, that's going... Yes, thanks for going longer. Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Normally it's an hour show, but today, you know, it's hot, so we've broken a new record as well. We have 12 thumbs up, which is the most we've ever had. Hood likely a little bit, but nobody who really shorts would have taken that gamble, knowing Redditors are fighting hard against it. That's a good point. No, I think I think Blue Core was referring to Harpoon Therapeutics. Am I right? I might be wrong. Let me bring Kenneth's comment up on the screen there for you. Just bought 20 shares of Rolls-Royce. Kofi just bought 20 shares of Rolls-Royce. Brilliant. There you go. Well, if we all buy Rolls-Royce today, the share will go up. And look, that's funny. It just has gone up as well. If everybody buys, there you go. That's what's called YouTube stock market manipulation. If I had 1 million subscribers and I said, let's all go and buy Rolls-Royce, and everyone bought 20 shares of Rolls-Royce like Kofi, it probably would go up. So that's the goal. Let's get to 1 million subscribers, and let's be able to do that. That'd be good, wouldn't it? That can happen, can't it? If you had 1 million subscribers, and everyone you could communicate, and you had trust and respect with your followers, I guess that's possible. Harpoon IRC is low volume, so likely yes. But they may have all started to bail, which might be why the price is jumping a little. Rolls-Royce, lad. Rolls. Not sure. OTC gets funny. There you go. Well, that's why... Oh, we're up a bit more. That's why, you know, it's 2% of my portfolio. And I think, you know, what Kofi has done there, just 20. I mean, look, it's $1.42. If you buy 10 shares, it's $14. It's like, that's like a lottery ticket, right? It's very speculative, highly risky, but it's $14. So, you know, Kofi spent $20. Well, and actually more than that, didn't he? About $30. That's all he spent. So why not? You know, I'm not saying, you know, put money. I mean, you should never invest money that you need to pay the bills with. I've got 6 months ahead paid. My bills are paid for 6 months, right? This is money for my future that I'm investing for my future. Okay, that's what this is. But something like that, you know, why not? Why not put 30, 40, 50, 100 bucks, you know, whatever. If you've got the money sitting there, why not? Because if it does well, you're going to do great, right? What is Martin said? On a rare earth play, watch MP Materials, a US miner. Let me have a look at that then. MP. Is that the ticker? Let me go to MP. MP Materials. Is that? Yeah, it is. There it is. Let's have a look at this one. Right. Okay, it's a new company where it started back in 20, so it's a year old. We're down on the day. We're level on the week. Level on the month. We're up over 3 months. Okay. MP Materials Corp engages in the production and marketing of rare earth specialty materials. It owns and operates Mountain Pass, an industrial asset which is the only rare earth mining and processing site of scale in the Western Hemisphere. Wow, that's a nice statement. On a rare earth play, watch MP. Sorry, I'm busy watching other screens. Yeah, he's watching other screens. I understand that. We're all watching. I've got other screens here as well. Let me show you. This is the back of my studio. Got screens all behind me as well. All over the flipping place. So I know exactly where you're coming from, Kenneth. Hood might be about to pop. Oh, should we go back to Hood? I'm gonna put this in my list. This one here. Add to list. There we go. Whoops. Put it in the new ideas. There we go. Thank you for that. So let me go back to Hood. And because we're getting news coming in from we're getting news coming in from excuse me, Kenneth. Hood map might be about to pop, so let's bring that up on the screen. Let's have a look. Let's keep an eye. I'm going to look. Whoops. That's my alarm going off, saying book water aerobics. So we're keeping an eye on Robinhood right now. Let's see how my portfolio is doing. 49.1, okay. We're up today, 1%. It's going to need some serious volume, but it's right at the verge. I love this technical analysis that Kenneth offers us. Absolutely wonderful. Really, really useful information. And everything he said so far has been spot on. So, you know, you give someone respect. You listen to what people say, you learn. And every time he gets it right, I think, wow, he's got it right again. So let's keep an eye. keeping an eye on it right now. Wow, the volume 77. Okay, here we go. Robinhood's had 64 million volume today. Well, the volume 775,000 on the last 1 minute candle alone. So we should see some movement, shouldn't we? I'm going to get the Weeble charts because obviously you're getting some really good information here. That is really on it. I don't see that reflecting in the in anything there. That's actually kind of low for today. Okay. We're up to 67 now. If you look across on the app, that's what it looks like. 67. So I was saying 64. I have to prepare for a meeting. I have a great day. Jonathan, thank you so much for joining us and sticking with the extended time as well. Thank you very much indeed. So I'm back again for the close of the closing bell later on this afternoon. And don't forget, if you want to join me every day apart from Sunday, I do the drive home party here on my other channel, on the Day Trader channel. Look, just go to the Martyn Lucas here, and you can choose 2 requests. And every day I do a little party, an after-show party, 2 songs. You can pick the songs. And thanks again. Martin just said you're so welcome. Thanks again, all of you, for being here. I think we're going to wrap it up in a second. Actually, we're going to wrap it up in a second. To keep our eye on Hood, and we'll be back for the closing bell. Let's see how Hood ended up today, see what everybody did. So please join me back for that. If you want to make a request, by the way, for the music show at 4 p.m. Central Time, today, the Drive Home show, you just go to here, click on Martyn Lucas, look, and go to any one of my videos and leave a comment and request what song you want. But here is the Drive Home show, okay? Live in 6 hours, it says, look. There you go. And I'll be there with you. And we'll do a bit of music from my studio here, all right? Celebrate or cry, depending how your day has gone, all right? Oh, fantastic. What a ride. Have fun. Okay, it's been great to be with you all. Thank you ever so much for joining us. Absolutely wonderful day. We broke a record today. We hit 12. Thanks again, Martin. Great community. God bless you all. Thank you so much. See you all back later. You're a wonderful community we are here. Please click the share button and tell more people about the time we spend together. We're all here helping each other grow and be successful and commiserate when we're down as well. So giving love to our friend there this morning who managed to claw his way back up again as well. So that's it from me. So it just leaves me to say, where's my screen gone? There it is. There it is. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you back in a bit for the Ring the Bell and then the after show party and then back again tomorrow morning. Have a great day. Be safe. Don't invest more than you can afford to invest. Don't get silly. Don't get carried away. Bye-bye for now.